Hi everyone, this is Clarence from the ChronoLogic network, and today I'm going to show you the new Automate interface and how to use it. First, we need to get the signed transaction from my Ether wallet or in my crypto. If you don't know how to do this part, I'll put a link on a tutorial that I've created at the description down below. Copy the signed transaction. We have this execute section where you'll put the signed transaction that you have copied earlier. Here is the condition section that displays the shortened addresses. It's possible to choose ETH or if you want to send other tokens, so it displays here. It's also possible to add a custom token by pasting the contract address here. We can specify the condition of your transaction here basically, so by default, it's the equal amount that we're trying to send. We can also use time scheduling by checking this checkbox. Here, we can choose the date. So for example, I want to schedule my transaction for next month. You can also set the time, AM or PM, and the time zone of your choice. At the bottom, we have the summary section displaying the addresses of the sender and the receiver, the amount you're going to send, and the network you are in. If you click on schedule, then it will execute and it will display the link of your transaction. Here is the Automate link. Be sure to save this link for your transaction references. If you click on the Automate link, it will show you a summary of the transaction that you have created. If by any chance you change your mind to cancel the transaction or change the date and time of your transaction, you can just click on the Cancel Watching at the bottom of the page. If you click on Schedule another one, so it will reset the interface. So that concludes my tutorial on how to use the new Automate user interface. Thanks for learning today.